Hey guys, it's TrollTimeGamer, and I'm finally back with some Happy Wheels. Yay! I haven't done it for 11 months, I'm just sorry. I'm just so sorry. But we're finally back, and let's just start this. What is happening with his mouse? Okay, now let's go up a little bit, so we can check some stuff. No, that's there. Newest play count. No, I want to go to play count. Play count. And let's go to this week. The most played of this week is Pogo Fight. Do you know what I don't like though? It's like everyone always makes the same levels now. It's just weird. And this will not be as long as my other ones because I'm using Bandicam now. And it may be a lot laggier than my old one, as you can see right now. Sorry for the lag as well. It's just that we can't get my old one that I used to use, Camtasia, because we had a trial for 30 days and that went out. So sorry guys. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, it's too laggy actually. We can't get anywhere. I like some rope things. I did not. Oh, actually, I'd rather do this one actually. Okay, let's see this. Let's hope this is gonna be good though. Okay, what do I do? What's the level called? Forgot already. It's called Create a Face. I forgot. Ooh. This may be the shortest video of what I've done. Obviously not shorter than my newest videos and stuff. Oh, no, no. I want the hypnotized eyes. Yay! What mouth should I choose actually? I want me SpongeBob. I want a happy face. Looks like a clown, but the red thing isn't actually an accessory. Okay, so let's do the next bit. And I woke up for my holidays today. Oh, do I want a hat? Got a party hat, got a ninja hat, you got cat in the hat. That doesn't make sense. Cat in the hat. Actually, no, I won't have a hat. Just that. Oh, my guys look absolutely amazing. This video might be a bit quiet though, so just that the laptop thing I'm using now is not very, like, it doesn't capture sound as good as the old one. We still have the old one, but we don't have any recording thing on it that we can use. And it's a lot slower than this one. This is only slow right now because it's just Bandicam is really laggy. So yeah, I could make me, you know. I could have them circle glasses, but not circle glasses anymore. AKA Jam Jams, I had them when I was really young. That is awesome. Oh my god. Let me in! Let me in, please! Yay! Woo! Okay, that guy looks pretty damn cool actually. On to the next level. And guys, I'm just asking now, but could you make like one level or something for me? I know not many people will watch this, but it would just be very nice. Oh my god! Balls are amazing! Oh my god! I threw the ball throw! This looks like it's made for Jacksepticeye or something. Jacksepticeye is my favourite YouTuber now. When I first found out who Jacksepticeye was, I loved him. 10 years later. Yeah, we're finally here. Woo! This better not fail. Oh, we won't know. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm making more videos because I don't have school for a long time now. Oh damn! That's stronger than the home over here. Woo! This level that I've done so far in the whole series is probably the giant bottle one or the gymnastic bars. I don't think the gymnastic bars were that good at the start, but then as we figured them out, they were really good. But I found out that they were really easy to make. So I can make stuff like that now. And yeah, go play my levels. My name on it is Alex Ratcliffe, as like my real name. And I've made 4 or 5 levels actually. My newest level is ball throw. Yeah. It's not rated that good. I think it's like 4 or 3.5 stars. But it was still hard to make. I want to crush some people. If I don't crush any people, that's just unfair. I want to crush some peoples. Oh, I didn't even know they could break. Oh my god. What the hell? I've never saw one of the logs break. I play Happy Wheels quite a bit, but not like... I play it like every week or 2 weeks. But it's not that often now. Just like Jacksepticeye, he plays it about every week or 2 or a month. Or 3 weeks. Something like that. Or 4 weeks. Yes, I get to crush some peoples. Yeah! Die, Willie! Die, Steve! Die, Bobby! Die, Billy! Die, Betty! All these are Jacksepticeye names. Die, Mike! I don't even know what, I'm just getting some Susan. Susan! Larry! Indy! I'm not sure. Summer. Some of these are older names. Oh! I could call them point years. Soon I'm gonna put my own names for characters. Pogo P. Don't have a clue what her name is. I don't know any irresponsible mum's children or irresponsible mum. It's a bit laggy. We haven't got much left. We've got about a minute or something. But yeah. The video is probably going to be very laggy, but I'm sorry guys. And finally Helicopter Harry. I'll just stick to this stick up his bomb. Let's break through the log. We've got about 50 seconds left because I can only record for 10 minutes. So if we don't finish this level, I'm sorry guys. If this computer was faster, I would be able to like do levels, like more levels. So if I don't make it to the finish, I'm sorry guys. And I hope this is recording. Let's hope it's recording. Because once I'll get ready to record my third Happy Wheels video. I thought I clicked record and I didn't. And it was going to be called I think it was another giant bottle one. It might have been a cool sword, but I'm not sure. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to finish it guys.